We're gonna be like that. We're gonna make sure we do this. This is our fight. You see how it is now, right? You see how fast they going. My camera on?
Yeah.
Alright. We're gonna rock and roll.
I bet.
Got it? Yeah, I got him. Tight enough? Yeah. Let's go. Start out long. Throw those punches. Stay off the ropes. Stay out of the corner. You hear me? Stay in the center of the ring if you can. Let's go. Let's rock and roll, right? Let's go. Where'd the chair go? No, where'd the chair go?
Right, took it though. It should have been another chair.
Yeah, it should be.
Yeah, just get grab one of those.
Okay. Good. Let's go. Lift off. All right, let's go.
Salim Rafiq and Ray Ramos, please report to the club table. Salim Rafiq and Ray Ramos, please report to the club table.
Let's go, Fabian. Be first to the punch. Let's go. Who put this on you?
Saeed.
Why? Good. Who put these? Jesus Christ. Never let them put these on you again. You hear me? There. Let's go. Be first. Come on, let's go. Come on, Fabian. Let's go. Come on, Fabian. You're taller than him. You should use the first jab. Come on. Come on. Use that straight. Come on. Clinch and turn. Clinch and turn. Let's go. Come on, Fabian. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. Double jab. Come on. Go in there. Go, go, go. What are you waiting for? Come on. Come on. Nothing. Hands up. Off the ropes. There you go. Come on. Come on. Nothing. Come on. Come on, Fabian. Jack, come on. Throw something. Hands up. Hands up. Go! Go! Go, Fabian, go! What are you waiting for? He's playing too much defense. He's playing too much defense. Come on. Come on. Fabian, you're playing too much defense. All right? You're taller than him. Why are you letting him jab you out there? Why? Don't let him jab, double jab inside, all right? Freeze him, all right? That's all you have to do. Double jab and freeze him. Throw that too, because he's just thinking you're not going to throw it. Throw that too. That's all I need you to do. All right, you fine? You good? You sure? Need some drink. Let's go. All right? Come on. Come on, use that jab. Come on, establish it. Be first. Be first, Fabian. Be first. Hunt him. There you go. Right there. There. Stay there. Come on. Stop jumping back so much. He's still playing defense. He's not going offense. Come on. Cut him off. Nothing. Nothing. Come on, stalk him. There you go. Now finish it. Why you let him out? He ain't throwing no punches. There. There. Right there. Why are you letting him off the ropes? Good. 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 Stay there. Right. Come on. Come on. There you go. Hands up. Hands up. Come on. Come on. Get out the ropes. Get out the ropes. Come on. Hands up. Get out the ropes. Nothing. Blocking. Blocking. Come on. Nothing. Go. Come on. Come on. Go that work. There you go. There you go. That's right. Right there. Yeah. That's how you finish a round. Don't, like I said, don't sit there and wait for him to come to you. Go to him. You got him against the ropes? Keep him against the ropes. You got him on the floor?
my head.
Come on. Come on. That's all you need right now. Ready? A little bit more. You good? All right. Now, come on. All right. A little bit. Don't trip up. Sit up. All right. Ready? You sure?
Yeah.
All right. Good. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah. Yeah. Every time the guy throws, he's blocking it, so it doesn't matter. Let's go. Be first. Be first. Hands up. Come on, Fabian. Go for it. Go for it, Fabian. There you go. Let's go.
I want y'all to tell him he needs this one. It's tied 1-1.
Okay. Come on. Fabian, let's go. This is your fight. This is it. All he's doing is slapping. Fabian, come on. Fabian, this is yours. This is it. This is the one. Go after him. Go forward. Stalk him. Go forward. Press forward. There you go. Go. There. Stay there. Stay there. Go back forward. Go again. Go again. 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 There you go. Come on. Go forward. Forward. Forward, Fabian. Go again. Again. Go after him. Go after him. This is it. Come on, Fabian. Come on, this is it. Come on, get the last punch in. There you go. Good fight. Needs you a little bit more active, but that was the last round. You needed that round. That's what you needed. Come here, come here. Give me your gloves. Give me your gloves. Bullet. You got it? Come on, hurry up. Here you go. Hey man, good fight. Way to fight. Show some heart. Way to stay on there. Way to do it. That's yours.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, give us a round of applause for these two boxers. And the winner, out of the red corner.
What I tell y'all? 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 What I tell you, Fabian? What I tell you, man? What I tell you? That's what I'm talking about. Come on out. Good fight. Let's go. Go get checked by the doctor.